Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Marcus Power here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again with another video. We're gonna go through gold, go through what's been happening in the past 3 or 4 weeks, and yeah, just see what we have going on. So right now, this is let me just start on the monthly chart so you can see what's happening. Take these off. Just give me 1 second to fix up the chart. What the monthlies? Where the values? Right, so just going back on the monthly chart, this is our monthly chart for gold, and you can see that right now we're clearly in a bullish move. So for me, I just took out my fibs on the monthly just to give myself some sort of target on the monthly where I want the chart to reach from this low uh, to the high there, then back to the low. So I'm expecting the chart to reach somewhere here. It could even go past or could stop right here and reverse, whatever. But I'm expecting the chart to get to somewhere here. That's just the monthly. Let's drop down to the weekly. So on the weekly here, we can see that we have a push. We have a retracement to here. And now we're currently in a push phase, right? This was our previous high. And when did the market close above that previous high? That's where it's most important. We had here, it closed above here, making this our new high. This just got broken again and closed above. So we can see that the market is making higher highs and higher lows just from that simple price action. So right now on the weekly, this is my low. This order block right here is my low to just signify where if the market does decide to come down into here, this is a good buy zone. We're just gonna drop down to the daily. The daily, this is when things get a bit more interesting. We see that we have a series of higher highs and higher lows. Just starting from here, higher high, higher low, and then we just got another higher high. So the market just recently broke above there and closed above. So this signifies our low, which is here. This is our strong low, our strong buy low. And now we have our high. So that's the area in the market where we want to focus on right now. Our focus right now is in this area of the market, this area. That's what I care about right now. Sweet. So looking at what's happening right now on the chart, I do have rally, a rally, a base, and a rally, right? So currently we're looking for the market to retrace into our base and then push up again. Or the market can come down to an order block that's down here, in here, and we can look for buys. However, we'll just be following market structure to see what's happening, but also the market has the potential to come into here and give us further buys, right? Uh, If the market does decide to break below here, we'll now be looking for some short entries, but the market is not there, so we can't talk about that. Let's talk about what's happening right now. I did have a trade on for continuations on buys on gold, but it seems as if uh, the market has decided not to do that. So I was anticipating gold buys because since we were trading in this sort of range, we had good buys. I think the last time I posted a video, I was in this buy here where the market almost came to my TP, which was here, but I had put my stop loss below this low. The market took me out, came again to this order block. I entered again buys here, and I was still targeting the same TP that high. The market did fulfill me on that buy. After that, this is exactly what I saw. I saw a rally in the market, a base, and a rally coming back into a base, but this is a smaller time frame and H4 rally base rally, uh, which didn't work. It's just a continuation pattern that I used to uh, continue with the trend. So let me just take all of this off. That's what I had traded in this past month, these two trades. Let me take that off. Right, so right now I just took, let me just scale down, zoom in so I can explain how I took these trades. So basically here I saw this order block. I had two order blocks that could have given me entries. This was the first one where I took the first trade, and then this is the overall one where I took the second trade. So I lost two trades here. I entered on the hit of this smaller order block, hoping that I would get a small risk, actually a better risk to reward. The market then took me out there, so I was down one. I then entered trades again and put my stop loss below the H4 low because we have this high, then the market created this low, and now a new high, a close above. So I knew that H4 wise we had structure, and if this structure was broken, I was going to look for further buys on a D1 order block, which is what we want to talk about next after I tell you about this trade. So yeah, I lost two trades here. Stop loss below this initial bigger order block. There was the sniper order block here. It failed. Had the initial order block here. Stop loss below that also failed. Now the market is trending downwards on a H4 time frame. So when the market is trending down on an H4 time frame, in my head, I start thinking H4 market structure has been broken. What am I looking for next? I'm looking for my daily time frame order block. Just because the market is uh, just because the market is trending down or market structure has broken on H4, that means, or that may also mean that on D1, you still have bullish momentum, you still have a bullish trend. It's just a minor pullback for the daily time frame. So if we go down here, this is what I was saying. I'm looking for the market to come into here next week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, this is when I'll be looking for a trade, and we can take that up to the high there. If the market does decide to break below here, I'll look for buys to this high here. This would be these days would be between Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This is when I'll be looking for this setup between 2 o'clock and 5:30 p.m. So these are the next two trades that I'm looking for. Firstly, we would like to get in here on this rally-based rally on the daily time frame. This rally base, rally, come back to the base, and then we can do that. However, if the market does decide to come down to this base again, I'll be also waiting for it then. This would be a better risk to reward type of trade. Anything below this low here, I'll start looking for sells, uh, aiming somewhere down here. Exactly. But right now, anything above this brown zone, I'm looking to buy. Anything below this brown zone, I'm looking to sell. But yeah, let's see when this trade will materialize, maybe in the coming 2 weeks or 3 weeks. This is how long the setup will take to happen. The setup may take 2 or 3 weeks to set up and uh, initiate the entry and give us our full TP, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. But yeah, this is me, Marcus Woopal, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again. We just took some losses. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We were winning down here. It's just a matter of patience now to see if the market does react from this order block or react to order blocks further down. But for now, I'm still bullish on gold. I'm still bullish on gold. It's just the minor pullback that we're facing. But yeah, that's all for me. Marcus Woopal, Mr. Xauusd. If you find this video informative or if you feel like you got something to say, you can say it in the comments. But other than that, I'm here and I'm out.